Alright guys, if you are planning to travel to Canada anytime soon, then do not plan your travel until and unless you watch this video till the end. The CBSA, IRCC, Travel Department have all updated extremely important information with regards to Canadians traveling outside, and this obviously impacts all the other people trying to travel to Canada. Please watch this video till the end. My name is Sahil. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we move any further, please make sure that you hit the bell icon and the subscribe button because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is a channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, what we're discussing today is the very important tweet that was sent out by all the CBSA, the travel department, and the information was again updated on the IRCC website as well. Now pertaining to the travel ban, the essential travel, and pertaining to the travel to Canada anytime soon is under discussion once again. Now if you look at this tweet which was updated by CBSA just a couple of hours ago, the tweet says that all Canadians are advised against traveling abroad until and unless it's absolutely necessary. That means it's essential in nature. Okay, the travel department again says very clearly that any sudden changes with regards to travel, the measures, that means the entry bans or anything, could come, and that could affect Canadians, PR, everybody who's outside Canada. Right now, if you go to the IRCC website also, it has been updated on 10th of January, which is today, and says that the travel restrictions could be changed. They also have travel, the regional, the advisories which are with regards to India. But again, it says due to the Omicron variant, please expect any update coming very, very soon. Guys, if you remember 2020, 2021 last year, when I was also traveling to India around this time only, the Delta variant was on an all-time high. And at that moment also Justin Trudeau had come out in the news and all of these tweets were coming out where the Canadian government was advising against any travel. But I still traveled to India and then I got stuck for a period more than 6 months. Again, this appears to be something in that direction. We don't have any confirmed news as of yet. But again, the departments are clearly tweeting, they're clearly saying do not travel until absolutely necessary. Guys, it's not a good news, I'm sure. But again, for all those people who can return in time, please plan your travel and expect a big news coming your way in the coming times. Guys, I hope the news was helpful and it helps you in planning your travel also. Guys, if you have to discuss your situation, if you want to discuss anything, please feel free to drop in a message on the WhatsApp on this number on the screen. Details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Please feel free to schedule a consultation. Once again, I wish you all the best and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.